It's meal prep day again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack slash dessert, and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. Let's start by prepping breakfast sandwiches.
First, I make an egg bake for the sandwiches. I start by cracking 12 eggs into a bowl. Then I add some low-fat Greek yogurt for extra protein. You could replace the Greek yogurt with blended cottage cheese. Next, I add a pinch of salt and pepper and whisk until everything is combined. I pour the mixture into a baking dish lined with parchment paper. I top it with chopped chives, chopped spinach, and a sliced banana pepper. But you could add pretty much any veggies you like. I bake it at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. I let it cool down and cut into pieces. This egg bake would be a great breakfast idea on its own too. It's so fluffy and delicious. Then I build the sandwiches. I'm using oat bread that is 100% made of oats, so it adds extra protein and is also a great source of fiber. I top the bread with turkey slices, and then I add the egg bake pieces, and lastly, some cheese. I store the sandwiches in an airtight container in the fridge. They last in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. You can also freeze them. In the morning, I reheat a sandwich in the microwave so that the cheese melts. Such a tasty breakfast, and it contains over 30 grams of protein per serving.
Before prepping the lunch, I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Some weeks are super busy and you might not have much time for buying groceries. HelloFresh's pre-portioned meals that arrive right at your doorstep can help you save time. They have more options to support your wellness journey than ever before. Their menu has 50 plus dinner options, and you can customize your order based on your preferences. There are many options like fit and wholesome, vegetarian, and quick and easy. And they also have seasonal menus that highlight peak ingredients and flavors. And everything can be tailored to your schedule. Click the link in the description, scan the QR code, or use my code to get 10 free meals plus free breakfast for life. 1 breakfast item per box, while subscription is active if you are in the US. Outside the US, local discounts will apply. Now, let's prep spicy, crunchy chicken wraps for lunch.
To save time, I didn't marinate the chicken this time. Instead, I just combined diced chicken, soy sauce, hot sauce, lime juice, and honey on a non-stick pan. I let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, I mix all the ingredients together for a yogurt dressing, Greek yogurt, hot sauce, lime juice, ground cumin, salt, and pepper. If you don't have IBS like me, you could of course add some garlic powder to this. When the chicken is cooked and cooled down a little bit, I add it into a big bowl. I add grated carrots and cabbage that make the wraps crunchy. I also add some green onions and lastly, the dressing. And then I mix well. I store the mixture in an airtight container in the fridge. If you're taking the wraps to work for lunch, you can build the wraps in the morning. Top a tortilla with some lettuce and the chicken salad mixture and fold the wrap. I'm using oat tortillas that are quite small, so 2 wraps is 1 serving. These wraps are full of flavor and contain about 35 grams of protein per serving.
You guys wanted to see more pumpkin spice recipes, so for a snack, I'm making healthy pumpkin spice cookies.
I start by mashing 3 bananas. Next, I add some pumpkin puree. Then I add almond flour, which adds protein to the cookies, and pumpkin spice, and baking powder, and lastly, vegan vanilla protein powder. Then I just stir until combined. I spoon the cookies onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper. I chopped 4 pieces of 80% dark chocolate into chunks and I add those on top of the cookies. I bake them at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. These cookies turn out so good. They are soft, moist, and delicious. 1 serving is 2 cookies and contains about 18 grams of protein.
And lastly, let's make a sheet pan dinner.
First, I washed all the vegetables and now I cut them into pretty small pieces so that they cook quicker. This time I'm using zucchinis, eggplants, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes. I spread the vegetables on 2 baking pans lined with parchment paper. I drizzle olive oil on top and add a pinch of salt. Then I make some room for the salmon pieces and add them to the pans. I top them with a generous amount of pesto. I bake them in the oven at 220 Celsius degrees, 430 in Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Then I remove the salmon from the oven since it cooks the quickest. Then I cook the veggies for 10 more minutes. I serve the salmon and roasted vegetables with a homemade yogurt dressing. Recipe is in the description. I store them in airtight containers in the fridge and reheat on a pan. This meal contains about 25 grams of protein and is so delicious.
Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Let me know in the comments what kind of meal prep recipes you would want to see next week. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!